Okay guys, let's recap Lab 2. In Lab 2, we were asked to take three LEDs, independent LEDs, our red, our green, and our blue, and can control them with three independent push-button switches. We were setting this circuit up on a proto board, which we have learned has a bus line that's interconnected on the outside. This particular set of proto boards, there's two proto boards that actually have four bus lines. One here, here, and here. You can, I showed some classes this, you can interconnect these bus lines so you can supply power to one rail, like this red battery snap wire is coming in over here, the black battery snap wire is coming here. It will go through these jumpers and it will power everything on this outer row over here. So right now this circuit is hooked up. If I push the button, I got my red light. I push the button, I got my blue LED and my green LED. So we can power with the battery, but as I showed a lot of you this week, we're going to do most of our circuits with a power supply. So the power supply hookup, you might go into a wire setup like this, and you want to watch my power supply video on how to set the power supply up. This particular one, power supply has the negative coming in over here, jumping into this bus line. I would put the positive there. I would want to remove the battery, and then I can turn my power supply on and set my voltage there and operate our circuit. What we learned is that a circuit needs to have three parts. It needs to have a source voltage, it needs to have a pathway, the wires and the inner workings of the bus board, and it needs to have a load or something that converts that electrical energy. Our LEDs convert electrical energy into light energy, that makes them transducers that way, and the resistor converts our electrical energy into heat energy. So they represent our load, and that completes our circuit that way. So hopefully this week you learn the basics of the proto board, how to use the proto board, and you learn the basics of a circuit. Every circuit has a source, a pathway, and a load, and ideally a control switch to control its mechanisms. Not essential, but typically is applied, the control. You also learned about Ohm's law with voltage, current, and resistance. More on that to come. See ya.